Here I have OPPO A58, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the in additional settings, then go to the accessibility, then switch to the vision, go to the Talkback. So here you can enable Talkback. After that, Talkback tutorial starts immediately.
Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5.
So basically, Talkback is a mode made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems who can't really see stuff on the screen, and it works the way that it speaks out loud text on your screen. So anywhere where you tap, it gets spoken out loud. So for example, now I tap close.
Close button. Close button. Accessibility volume set to 100%. Double tap to activate. Close
so
tutorial.
When you're in
you can
this
come
mode,
back to it at any time in Talkback. Close. Talkback. Navigate up button.
give me a
Double
word,
tap
please.
to activate.
So basically, when you're in this mode, you can only operate like this. You tap somewhere, this section got spoken out loud, then you double tap anywhere on the screen, and you perform any action like this. So for example, you tap Talkback, double
Turn
tap,
off
stop, double tap,
Talkback off.
and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.